So I got my brand new fire station here. I got my MOC here, some of the firefighters, a few of the vehicles, a few of the helicopters. So what I'm going to do, I am going to redesign it. I'm not going to touch this building yet. That one I'm going to wait. I am going to redo that. So I'm redoing it because, one, I do like the angles that the new one is, and I was never fully happy with the way that design turned out. So I felt the garage was just not quite big enough, so hopefully I could do something with that. And also, when it came to the structure in the back there, I was never really happy with the way I did it, so I'm going to tear it down and rebuild and see what we can do. Alrighty, so I have stripped it right down to the mills plate. Got everything sorted into basic categories that I'm probably going to be needing. Now, one thing I did notice that I forgot I did is on this mills plate, I actually ended up using 16 by 16 plates for that. I'm taking those out. I'm going to lose the Technic bricks because, quite frankly, they're not being used. So I'm going to mills plate it proper, and that way I can use these plates to help finish the roof. So that is much better. A nice proper mills plate, and it frees me up 4 extra pieces so I could do some roofing. That is pretty slick. So now let's see how that looks on here. So I've built up the garage part. As you can see, we have 1 and 2, so I still got the doors going up, and it fits the fire truck nicely. So that's alright. Got the roof in place. Now, the front part of the roof I did not make removable. The back part is going to be removable. So I decided to change it around. So before I had the garage on this side, the entrance on this side. So I flipped it around, so this is actually in a corner section. So this comes out on one street, this comes out on another. Well, what I do notice, my garage is 2 bricks higher than the main building. So now I gotta make this 2 bricks higher, which ain't gonna be too bad because this whole roof comes off. So I'll just layer that up and away I go. So now that I brought my building up to the same height as the garage, we're going to stick this in the city and see how she looks. And here is a newly redesigned Lego fire station in the Lego City. So before, as you can see by the tiles on the ground, this was the old garage exit. So I've put the main entrance to there. The garage is now just around the corner, right there, right next to the Lego store. Now for now, I rested this here just to kind of see how it looks. Yeah, not looking too bad. So my next step is to redesign the second floor, because what I'm going to do is, instead of having it as just one section here, I'm going to extend it so there's more of a full 2 stories on there. But you know what, not looking too bad. Coming around the back, I did throw some windows on the back just to kind of break up the red there. But looking good so far. So like, subscribe, drop a comment and share, and we'll see you in the next one.